The office is buzzing with activity when suddenly, a superhero-like figure bursts onto the scene. He surveys the landscape, eyes taking in the frenzied shuffling of papers, the frantic tapping on keyboards, the incessant ringing of phones. He sees the weariness etched on faces, the result of mundane tasks and inefficiencies, but then his voice rings out, crisp and clear, cutting through the cacophony. "Attention everyone, are you tired of drowning in mundane tasks? Fear not, for the era of AI-driven automation is upon us. Whether it's optimizing production lines, orchestrating seamless supply chains, diagnosing illnesses with precision, or predicting market trends, AI is revolutionizing how we work and live. Imagine a world where AI takes over the mundane, the repetitive, the routine. In the manufacturing sector, AI is streamlining production lines, reducing waste, and boosting efficiency. In logistics, AI algorithms are plotting optimal routes for deliveries, ensuring goods arrive faster and fresher. In healthcare, AI is not only diagnosing illnesses with unprecedented accuracy, but also predicting potential health risks before they become critical. And in finance, AI is predicting market trends, helping businesses stay one step ahead. The benefits of AI are clear: increased productivity, improved accuracy, and most importantly, freeing up humans to focus on what we do best: being creative, strategic, empathetic. With AI-powered systems, we can say goodbye to the monotony of repetitive tasks and hello to a world where human potential is unleashed. So join the revolution. Step into the light of AI and automation. Don't let the fear of change hold you back. Instead, let's lean into the future, harnessing the power of technology to streamline our work, our thinking, and our lives. We are standing on the brink of a new era, an era where mundane tasks are a thing of the past and human potential takes center stage. Remember, every like, every share, every subscribe, and every comment fuels this revolution. So engage, converse, and be a part of this exciting journey. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below for more exciting content on how AI is shaping tomorrow's world. Until next time, stay efficient, my friends. And as our superhero departs, we're reminded of the boundless possibilities that AI and automation bring to the forefront. No more drudgery of routine tasks, no more inefficiency. Instead, we're welcoming a future where we're free to focus on what truly matters, on what truly stimulates our intellect and creativity, where we're no longer just cogs in a machine, but the architects of a smarter, brighter tomorrow. So let's take the leap. Let's be the change makers, the pioneers of this AI-driven revolution. Let's harness the power of automation, and together, let's redefine the future of work, of life, of our world. Our superhero may have left the scene, but the revolution is just beginning. Until next time, stay efficient, my friends.